Asha, the cunning and witty farmer, had a plan to swap fields with his best friend, Mishrung, who was known for his lush green paddy. As Asha observed his meager harvest, he couldn't help but notice the abundance in Mishrung's field. Mishrung's field, in stark contrast, thrived with the greenest paddy anyone had ever seen. Asha hatches a sly plan as he sits by the dimly lit oil lamp, sketching a diagram of the fields. Asha approaches Mishrung, who is working diligently.
Mishrung, makaning Tolakbe ng sime.
Asha and Mishrung stand at the bottom of Asha's field, gazing up at the lush paddy.
Mishrung piene, ng silu. Naikungum malute pa zakamare no.
Asi isa nagum Zeliangrong talay below ni mangum talay.
Asha and Mishrung have climbed a tree at the top of Mishrung's field, looking down at his paddy.
Asi isa nagum lao alu pigailu milong haro talay.
Asha's trickery continues as he successfully convinces Mishrung that his field is inferior.
Mishrung dagum tebedla. Pigailu milung haro ringale no.
Mishrung, with a hopeful smile, approaches Asha.
Asi isa anai lu hiak lay.
Sang ne mikina Mishrung chule mingyale. Anai lu hiak ai bra dale. Sang de wai.
Kasang sing da.